So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find some freely available national and some local GIS data that you can just download off the web. So what you're going to do is in your address bar, just type in USGS GIS database. Type that in, and it'll do a search for you. And that very top option is the one we want. It's GIS data download US Geological Survey. So after you've clicked on that, you'll come to this landing page. It says download data download application. Just click on launch. And then you're going to try and look for different things that you want. So over here, you've got a whole bunch of things. I often look for nape imagery. That's that's basically Google Earth style imagery that you can download for your GIS database. But there's a whole bunch of things on here. Elevation boundaries is very typical that you can do. Let's do a boundaries one real quick. And you can do national or state, and you can also get these different types of files. I'm going to just do shape files, and I'm going to click on search. And since I did state, and I live in the state of Arizona, I'm going to click on this, and I want to download this data. So I'm going to click on download link zip, and you'll see over here in my download that it is downloading that file for you, or for me. So I'm going to go to my GIS application, which is QGIS 3.30, and I want to pull in this information. And so we're going to start with a new empty project. Okay. And first of all, I got to make sure that I can get to what I want. So we're going to find me in here and add a favorites file, which is another really easy thing for you to do whenever you're out and about doing stuff in the GIS world. So I downloaded it, so it's going to be downloads, and here we go. So we got a few shape files to look at here. I just wanted counties, so I'm going to grab this and pull it in here. And you can see I've got a whole bunch of counties that are available for me to look at. And you can see this is what's called layers. I can change the color if I don't like that. Do that. So the symbology page comes up. Let's change the color to something I like. And we'll do green. I like green. Although red or brown is probably more typical of what Arizona is. But I like green because I'm from Ohio. Let's see if there's anything else here that would be of interest to us here. So let's look at incorporated place. Let's pull that in. And you can see that we've got all the cities around the state of Arizona. Jurisdictional, let's throw that in there too. You can see we've got different jurisdictions. I'm not sure what the jurisdictions represent. So let's go to the attributes page, which is I just right-clicked on that top layer, and I'll open attribute table. And you can see what the table all of those little polygons represent throughout the state. These are congressional districts, it looks like. So we've got congressional districts, commerce, And there's our separate districts. And if I wanted to see them, I could just simply do that. We can see that this is U.S. Congressional District 4 over here. Okay. Wow, these lines are really crazy. They're all over the place. Anyway, so we got those. And let's see, what else do we got in here? So minor civil division. So Native American areas. Let's see what Native American areas we have. Special survey. I don't know what that is, but we'll look at that in a little bit. We got townships, different townships, although Arizona doesn't pay much attention to those. Just the state outline and unincorporated places. And so you can see we've got a whole bunch of stuff here that we just got from downloading state boundaries. And let's see, what if I wanted to see those Native American areas again? I can just move those up and down here, and I can see that. So whatever's on top tends to be what you see the most. Let's see, let's go back up. There's our counties. So anyway, just stuff for you to take in and to see how much information you can find. And that was just from downloading one of the things available to us here in USGS.